A very good morning, my dear students. We've already started with the chapter Animals Living and Surviving. In the previous class, we started with the topic of classification of animals based on their habitat. So let us recall what is habitat. Habitat क्या होता है? It's a natural home of an animal. And we classified the animals based on their habitat. Can you recall the classification? Yes. What is it? Terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals and aerial animals, right? In the previous class we learnt about terrestrial and aquatic animals. If you remember, what was the difference between terrestrial and aquatic? Terrestrial animals were the one which live on land and aquatic were the one which live in water, right? And we also learnt about certain examples of animals, who live in land, who live in water, and what things are present in their bodies which make them to survive in a particular environment, right? So today we are going to come to the next category, that is amphibians. Now what are amphibians? Amphibians are the animals which live on land as well as in water. When the word amphibian strikes in our mind, first example which comes in our mind is frog. A frog land पे भी होता है और in water also, right? A baby frog is called as tadpole, right? Now tadpole, when it is in water, it has gills to breathe, right? जो tadpole होता है और जो tadpole when it converts into frog, what happens when frog is in water, तो उसकी जो skin होती है ना, वो उसके through breathe करता है, moist skin के through. लेकिन जब वो land पे होता है, it has lungs to breathe. So that is why its survival is possible both in water as well as on land. I repeat, baby frog is called as tadpole, right? और tadpole के अंदर gills होते हैं. That's why it can survive in water. But if we talk about the frog when it is on land, it has lungs to breathe, and when it is in water, it has moist skin which enable it to breathe. Okay? That is why it comes in the category of amphibians. Amphibians क्या होते हैं? Which can live on land as well as in water, right? So next category is aerial animals. Aerial animals क्या होते हैं? Which fly in air. और आपने देखा होगा कोई भी चीज अगर फ्लाई करती है तो उसका वेट बड़ा लाइट वेट का होता है, इट इज लाइट वेट. इसी तरीके से जो बर्ड्स होते हैं, दे फ्लाई इन एयर, बर्ड्स इंसेक्ट्स, उनकी बॉडी बड़ी लाइट वेट की होती है. क्यों होती है? बिकॉज उनके जो बोन्स होते हैं वो हॉलो होते हैं और दे वेरी लाइट इन वेट. इवन द फेदर्स आर ऑल्सो लाइट इन वेट, राइट? तो इट कम्स अंडर कैटेगरीज ऑफ एरियल एनिमल्स. सो एरियल एनिमल्स के अंदर क्या होता है? दे कैन फ्लाई बिकॉज द बॉडी इज लाइट इन वेट. And why their body is light in weight? Because they have light bones and feathers. और उनकी शेप भी बिल्कुल अलग तरीके से होती है, जैसे एक स्ट्रीमलाइन, जैसे एरोप्लेन की शेप होती है ना, वैसे ही बर्ड्स की. ऐसा क्यों होता है? इट्स बाय नेचर. इवन फिश की भी ऐसी शेप होती है. इट्स बाय नेचर. क्यों? क्योंकि इजिली दे कैन कट थ्रू द एयर, दे कैन फ्लाई थ्रू द एयर, राइट? These all features enable them to fly in air. What are those features? First feature is they have the light body. Why they have the light body? Because they have light bones and feathers, right? Now we come to the third category, this one, arboreal animals. Arboreal animals क्या होते हैं? Which spend most of their time on trees. And when we come to this category, the first thing which strikes in our mind is monkey. Monkey can move from one branch to another. आपने देखा होगा, it can swing from one branch to another. Why? Because it is a long and curly tail which enables it to change its direction, swing from one branch to another, right? लेकिन it also has all these animals जो arboreal animals होते हैं, इनकी claws बड़े sharp होते हैं, क्लॉज एंड ब्रॉड हिप गर्डल्स होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से इनकी बॉडी को सपोर्ट मिलता है ट्रीज पे रहने के लिए. इट हेल्प्स देम टू क्लाइम, इट गिव्स देयर बॉडी देयर सपोर्ट सो दैट दे कैन क्लाइम इजीली, राइट? दिस इज द रीजन दे कैन स्पेंड मोस्ट ऑफ देयर टाइम ऑन trees. Right? So what things we have learned today? That is amphibians. Amphibians are the one which live on land as well as in water. Next was aerial animals. Aerial animals are the one that fly in air. And the next one which we have discussed today, arboreal animals. Arboreal animals क्या होते हैं? Which spend most of their time on trees. और सबके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ बॉडी की स्ट्रक्चर इस तरीके का होता है कि which enables them to, for example birds हैं, birds लाइट वेट की होती हैं तो इसीलिए वो फ्लाई कर सकती हैं. जो मंकी होते हैं उनकी लॉन्ग टेल होती है, उनके शार्प क्लॉज होते हैं जिससे वो पकड़ सकते हैं वो ब्रांच को, और दे हैव ब्रॉड हिप गर्डल्स जो उनको बॉडी को सपोर्ट देते हैं. Right? So each and every animal, when it is there when it is surviving on land or in water or flying on air, तो उनकी बॉडी में ही इसी तरीके का स्ट्रक्चर होता है which enables them to survive in that particular habitat. I hope the classification is clear to you now. Right? So for your homework, you'll be reading page 76 and 77. Try to go through all complete classification, that is all the 5 type of animals based on their habitats. Right? Thank you so much.